I'm really thankful for your attendance this morning. Sabi ko nga, nung panahon ba na during my dark chapters of my life, when they exerted all efforts to render me irrelevant, every time they see me smiling, they have to transfer me to another detention facility, one after the other. 5 detention facilities. Who kept the fire burning, who kept the kadyas for Ariel Querubin? Ang media. Yung media, yun na nagbumuhay sa Costco. Kaya sana sabi ko, wala naman din nagbago kung friendly sa akin nung mga panahon na yun ng media. Sana ganun din hanggang ngayon. Kasi